What up, Long Beach? Welcome back to GazetteSports.com. It's JJ.
And Mike.
And Tyler, and this top 10 video is brought to you by Naples Rib Company.
December just skipped lukewarm because it was cold nights and hot highlights all month long.
Football season marched into December, which of course is a rare treat.
And certainly bands made us dance this month. Let's start it off at number 10, but add a 0, trust me. Compton against Milliken, the Tar Babes, getting out early with that Zeno Lake dunk on their way to triple digits, y'all.
There were plenty of threes as well. You know when the tip turns into a dunk and it's not actually a tip dunk? Things are going to go your way. Speaking of dunks,
Isaiah Sweeney and the foul.
Whew, strong bucket there. And speaking of strong buckets, Isaiah Bailey.
And the foul. Isaiah Bailey had a phenomenal game, and he's going to put him at the century mark right here with this move.
Kobe! I mean, with the leg up, that's more Dirk, but either way you shake it, it's a hundo.
Don't get to see that very often in a 32-minute high school game. Pretty impressive, but nothing could be finer than to be the number 9er and the most thoroughly flicked flea we have seen thus far in the state championship. You take it. No, you take it. No, you take it for the first touchdown of this Division I state championship game. Crazy play.
That's backfield 3-card money right there.
Everybody got to touch it twice, and obviously the Poly crowd really ate that up.
8 is great and unexpected this month because Jordan's Alvaro Pliego goes a la izquierda.
That's to the left, like Beyonce in Irreplaceable. Can we get a replay of that? He tucks this so far into the corner, it's ridiculous.
Does he have freeze powers too?
I can't even parallel park that well.
He was more shocked than anyone else.
Seventh Heaven and block me if you've heard this before. Jordan Bell, I mean, he's nasty. We go to the City of Palms tournament. Fun fact, the City of Palms, that's named after his left and right palm, which were on full effect against Southwind. Great team out of Memphis. Division I talent getting swatted. The Sultan of SWAT, the Bell Tower, the Crime Stopper. 7 blocks in this game, and they were all impressive.
And he has just as many nicknames as he has blocks.
Oh, we're working on more, y'all.
Number 6, keep your eyes on the right side of this screen, because Pacific didn't. Yeah, cue the Jaws music. James Ennis is about to take your cookies. Ennis, in transition, rocking him to sleep. He does that so often, we pretty much just put him in every month he's playing.
That violates at least one anti-bullying law that I can think of. We go to High Five. Highlights just keep on coming, and Alex Karlowicz, world class. She takes him to school, takes him to 4th grade right there. Oh, unbelievable. Goodness. You've got to really see this move in slow motion, I think, to appreciate just how world class it really is.
I mean, the first touch is beautiful, but then the balance on the left foot to get past the defender and bury it. Enough to pound your chest about for sure.
I mean, that's a high-class goalie right there, and she couldn't even get off her cleats.
You can see how fired up she was. We move it to number 4, and we go back to the City of Palms. Enter sophomore KJ Fagan in a tie basketball game. Under 5 seconds to go. Oh, buckets! That is a huge three-pointer from KJ Fagan. Look at the replay. The defender didn't think he was going to knock that down. Splash.
Our thanks once again to John Jean for airmailing us that video all the way from Florida. Pretty special stuff. Glad to be able to bring it to you.
Trace. Because it's Chilena time, and if you know what that means, get excited. Milliken's Tony Alcala. I don't think you could draw this up any more beautifully than that. That is just unbelievable.
He's too Chilena for his shirt right now. Celebration to be remembered as well.
Yeah, what's a yellow card to a boss? I mean, seriously, who cares about the celebration? You're not going to have a goal as beautiful as that again, so you might as well just get thrown out after that. You're not topping that.
It's off the defender's head, too, which makes it that much more impressive. I'll call it a tip of the cap.
Number 2. And it's back to that City of Palms tournament. Jordan Bell.
Young Skywalker.
Oh, the dunk heard around the world.
The rim rattler.
He didn't break Twitter, but he cracked Twitter after this dunk. The windmill, oh, that's dirty. And let's take a closer look here, as that rim's going to have a break in it.
It's cattywampus.
thanks to Hoops Mixtape for that clip. I mean, he literally broke the rim. I don't know what else to say. And number one, the loneliest number, but, oh man, these are memories these kids are going to have for a lifetime, as will the 12,000 fans you see in the background right there. Long Beach Poly, modern day, 19 CIF championship victory for the Jackrabbits.
So many great plays, so many great names in this game. John Juju Smith had a tremendous night. That was his touchdown, and what a tremendous football season, really culminating in many ways on this field at Angel Stadium.
Tiedemann finds Tucker, and then in the second half with the rain falling, Matt Matai knocks it loose. Jayon Brown's going to say thank you, cap his historic play in this game, and I mean, get wet, y'all.
Splash.
Obviously, big-time celebration in the biggest of possible games. Even the photographers, I think, are having a good time. Another championship plaque for the Jackrabbits. They have a record 19 of them. And, what's another one, I guess? Sure, why not?
Well, Raul Lara really wanted that one. That's number 5 for him. That's a record at Long Beach Poly. Something to be very, very proud of. And just look at that scene. It's great memories for everyone in Long Beach, really. And I tell you what, y'all, we're not going to forget those faces anytime soon.
Amen. Congratulations to everyone on this December 2012 Top 10. This video brought to you in part by McCarty's Jewelry, here for you since 1932. And come back to GazetteSports.com because we're going to be here for you later this week with the top plays of 2012 the entire year. Stay with us. This is GazetteSports.com and we are Long Beach Sports.